In this video, we will learn how you can automatically send your Google Sheets data to Pabbly email marketing with the help of Pabbly Connect. And here I am going to use Google Sheets as the trigger application inside Pabbly Connect. So in the Choose app, you will have to firstly search for the Google Sheets, and then you will have to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect first. And as soon as you will select the trigger event here, you will find a webhook URL. With the help of this webhook URL, we are going to connect to Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so instructions for the same are already given. So firstly, you will have to copy this webhook URL and go back to that particular sheet which you would like to actually connect with the Pabbly Connect. So this is my spreadsheet, and here I will click on extension, click on add-ons, click on get add-ons, and here you will find an option of Pabbly Connect webhooks. So here I'm going to search for the Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on option, and the very first thing you'll have to do is to install this Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on. Well, it is already installed into my account, so that is why I'm not going to install it, but make sure that you will have to install this add-on. Okay, and once you will install this add-on, you will have to go to your extension once again, and finally you will find the Pabbly Connect webhooks option here. So you will have to click on initial setup, and it will ask you two details. First is the webhook URL. So we are going to copy and paste the same webhook URL here, and it is asking for the trigger column. Generally, the trigger column is the last data entry column of your sheet. So read the instructions. The trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here, what does it mean? As soon as the last column of my spreadsheet is filled up, in that case, this automation should trigger, or in that case I want this data to be sent to Pabbly Connect. So in this case, I want whenever the details will be filled up to E column, in that case the data should be sent. So that is why in the trigger column I will add E as the trigger column. And now you'll have to click on send test, and you will see the same data will be immediately sent to Pabbly Connect. Here you can even read the instructions. The test data sent successfully. Click on submit and close this particular box, and if you will come back to Pabbly Connect, you will find the same data here as the response in the Pabbly Connect. Okay, here you can see the responses received. Trigger column was E. Yes, it was E only. The spreadsheet name was new leads sent to Pabbly email marketing. Yes, it is correct. Let us check other details as well. So the spreadsheet ID is here. We have the spreadsheet name, sheet ID, row index, and here we have the phone number, the last name, the first name, email, and city. So let us check, and yes, the first row data has been actually sent to Pabbly Connect. So the first step of our automation is actually done, which was connecting Google Sheets as a trigger application inside Pabbly Connect and capturing the Google Sheets data inside Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to send the same data in Pabbly email marketing. So in the second application, you will have to search for the Pabbly email marketing only. Okay, I'll have to search it once again, Pabbly email marketing. All right, and after selecting the application, now we will select the action event. Well, I want to add the subscribers, but instead of just the basic details, I also want to update the phone number and email. So instead of selecting this add subscribers, here I will go with add subscribers with custom fields. Now you'll have to connect your Pabbly email marketing account with the Pabbly Connect. For that, it will ask you a token. Enter your bearer token. Okay, so instruction for the same are already given. So what you'll have to do is go to your Pabbly email marketing dashboard, and under this integration tab, you will have to go to the developer API, and from here exactly you can copy your bearer token and paste it to the Pabbly Connect, and this is how you can connect your Pabbly email account, Pabbly email marketing account with the Pabbly Connect. Now as soon as I have made the connections, it is asking for the following details. Okay, so the first thing it is asking for the list name. So if I'll check the list into my Pabbly email marketing account, so I just have a single list, that is default list. And how about I also create one more list from this particular button. Okay, so I have the list one, and here I just have the default list. Okay, if I will refresh this particular section, you will see the same list will be visible here also. Okay, under this list, well, I would like to rename this list as the all new business leads. Okay, So this is going to be the name of my list. Again, I'll come back here, refresh it, and you will see the changes will be reflected here. Now it is asking for the name, email, mobile, city, and other details. So I am going to provide only those details which I would like to actually add from my sheet. And here I already received the Google Sheets data in the above application. Basically in the Google Sheets response, I am going to map the same data here, and mapping is very simple. If you will click on this particular field, the above data will be visible here in the drop down. You just need to select that particular data. So first, at least it is asking for the name. Okay, so here is the first name, gave a space, and now I am going to map the last name. Okay, so I have provided the name. Now it is asking for the email address. Again, you'll have to follow the same process. I have searched for the email address with the help of @. Now it is asking for the phone number. So again, I will map the phone number in the same way. And here, whatever the details I am mapping, instead of adding manually, these details will be automatically replaced when this automation will work in real time. So this is the power of mapping and power of automation. And this is how this automation is also going to take place. Now as soon as I will click on this button, you will see the response will be received and the same data will be added here into my all new business leads list, email list. Okay, so I have refreshed Pabbly email marketing software dashboard. All right, I'll have to refresh it once again, I think. Alright, so data has not added. I'll have to check that what exactly I have done. Alright, under the list name, instead of the all new business leads, I have actually selected this default list. So I'll have to correct it once again, and then I'll have to click on this button once again. And now finally I'm going to refresh my dashboard, and here you will see the data will be added here as the contact, here as the subscriber inside Pabbly Connect immediately. And we have the same data now in the default list as well, and in the all business new leads as well. So this is how now onwards, as soon as I am going to add the data here, the new data will be automatically sent to the Pabbly Connect. But for that you'll have to do one more important settings. Go to extension section and you will find an option of send on event. You will have to enable this particular option. So what does that mean? We are actually defining a system that as soon as something is happening here, as soon as a new event is happening here, and the new event happening here means as soon as the new data is adding here, it should automatically send to the Pabbly Connect. So that is why I have enabled this particular option, send on event. So this is how now onwards, as soon as someone is going to add the data here, the same details will be added here as a new contact, as a new subscribers into Pabbly email marketing software with the help of Pabbly Connect. And you just need to set this automation inside Pabbly Connect only once, and after that everything will work in the backend, and Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. In case you want to clone this particular workflow into your account, I will add this shareable link also into my description box. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.